What's the hype? This is something light. Yikes. Out of town on consistent flights. Yikes. Work hard. This a
Hey guys, it's your girl Khol Creations coming back to you with another YouTube video. I don't know if you could tell by the stuff that I have around me. I'm doing a DIY project. I'm doing shelves that you could put in your bedroom, your vanity, your living room, your bathroom, wherever you want to place these shelves. It doesn't matter. I got these little boards from not Walmart, Home Depot. Home Depot for like $8. I got 2 of them cut in 4s, but I don't think I'm gonna use all 4 pieces for both of them. Well, however many boards I decide to make or whatever. So I think that I don't know what I'll do. Y'all will see. I'm just gonna go with the flow. I got glitter. I got like 10 things of glitter. I got some Mod Podge. I got my drill, my tools, and this is Juice. He'll be helping me in the way. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing, a gold shelf. And here's me at Home Depot. The line was like hella long, y'all. Like, that shit was like mad long. It took me like 20 freaking minutes. So here I am in the shelf section. And this is the board that I got. That's like $8.97. It's behind like all this bullshit right here. So I got 4 of them. Yeah, now it's time to go cut. Let's go home and work. So disclaimer, why I'm inside doing this on my carpet is because I tried to do it outside and I'm in El Paso and the wind here is crazy, especially today. So I'm messing up my carpet, so I should have did it with a sheet or something, but whatever. I thought it would be smart to mix the glue and the glitter together at first, but that was not the smart way to do it. The easier way to do it was just put the glue and then the glitter. And then you see the outcome, like it came out very bold. Okay, so here are the boards. Some of them are more gold than some, and some of them are a mixture. I didn't realize that I had bought different gold glitters. So yeah, so I'm just waiting on this side to dry, and then we'll do the flip side. Okay, so while I'm waiting on the flip side of the squares to dry, I came inside and I did the long board. As you can see, my dog was in the way, so it was taking me forever to do that side. With this side, I was running out of glue because I thought I had enough, so I had to put just the regular glue. And as I said earlier before, I wish I would have just put the glue instead of the glitter, mixing it together, because that was just, I feel like a waste. I could have did that on another project or something, but the outcome of it was pretty nice overall. So what I have here is the spray glitter sealer. It's such a tongue twister. It's an extra step to take when you're dealing with glitter and wood or any type of project that you're doing dealing with glitter. It just seals the glitter, so when you go to touch it, the glitter, it just doesn't come off on your hands, or if you're moving, you don't have to worry about glitter getting everywhere. So I like OD went over it like 3 or 4 times. So now the flip side is dry, and I'm just going in and I'm doing the flip side, putting the glitter, and I'm securing the sides because the sides will be showing because it is a shelf. I made a mess, y'all, as y'all can see, like horrible. Okay, so now in this next part, you'll see me putting the squares where I want them to go and making the hole so that it'll be easier for me to drill through. My dog did not like the drill. Like, as you can see, he's getting upset. He keep coming over there like, "Ma, are you okay? Like, what is this thing?" And he just did not like that at all. So I kind of went through my carpet a little bit, but it's okay. I'm moving soon, and I know they'll take the carpet up, so I don't care. This next part, I didn't have any markers or anything, so I had to go get some more arts and crafts stuff and make little dots on the smaller squares so I'll know where to drill the hole, so that when I put it on the board and I went to screw, that it would be easier versus me struggling trying to hold it, and it just would have been a mess. Like, I just felt like that way was easier for me. let me tell y'all, I thought because I had pre-holed everything that this part of the project was gonna go like I was gonna be done quick, 5 minutes. No, I was not. I mean, it was like it was fairly easy. However, I just didn't make the holes deep enough so that the screws would go through without a problem. The first board that I tried to screw, the screw got stuck. Like, I didn't make the hole deep enough. So once I went in for a second time, it was fairly easy. Here's me being done. I was so happy, like I was over it. So here's the final look. 5 hours later, this is what you get. I hung it on the wall. I grabbed a couple statues that I already had around the house. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Get your life. You bitches ain't living right.